Good morning, students. In this video, discuss about on SQL operators. What are operators? SQL operators are reserved keywords used in the where class of a SQL statement to perform arithmetic, logical, and comparison operations. Operators act as conjunctions in SQL statement to fulfill multiple conditions in a statement. Types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators. Second, comparison operators. Third, logical operators. The first operator is arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform operations such as addition, multiplication, subtractions, etc. The operators are plus, minus, asterisk, slash and modulus value. Plus means add either sides of the operators. Minus, it's used to subtract right hand side value from the left hand side value. Multiplications, multiply the values present on each side of the operators. Slash divides the left side value by the right side value. Modulus or percentage sign divide the left hand side value by the right hand side value and returns as the remainder. Next one is example of arithmetic operators. Select 40 plus 20, the semicolon with semicolon. The answer is 60. Select 40 minus 20, the answer is 20. Select 40 asterisk 20, the answer is 800. Select 40 slash 20, the answer is 2. Select 40 percentage sign 20, the answer is 0. The next operator is comparison operators. These operators are used to perform operations such as equal to, greater than, less than, etc. The operator is equal to, used to check if the values of both operands are equal or not. If they are equal, then it returns true. Greater than returns true if the value of left hand operators is greater than right hand operator. Less than, check whether the value of left hand is less than right hand operator. If yes, returns true. Greater than or equal to, used to check if the left operand is greater than or equal to right operand and returns true. If condition is true. Less than or equal to operator returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to right operand. Not equal to, used to check if whether values of operands are equal or not. If they are not equal, then it returns true. Not greater than, check whether the left operand is not greater than right operand. If yes, the returns true. Not less than returns true if the left operand is not less than right operand. Example of comparison operators. The table name is student, student ID, first name, last name, age. First operator is equal to. The query is select asterisk from students where age equal to 20. So the age is 20, the record is fourth record will be displayed. The next comparison operator is greater than. select asterisk from students where age greater than 23. So the above table, the fifth record only, the condition is satisfied. So the output is student ID fifth, the first name Vainav, the last name Gupta, and age is 25. The next operator is less than or equal to. The query is select asterisk from students where age less than or equal to 21. The following conditions are displayed. The record is 2, 3 and 4. Next comparison operator is not equal to. The query is select asterisk from student where the age not equal to 25. The condition is satisfied. First 4 records will be displayed. The next operator is logical operators. The logical operators are used to perform the operations such as and, or, and not. AND operator is allow the user to mention multiple conditions in a where class. OR operators combines multiple conditions in a where class. Not the NECOT operators use reverse the output of logical operators. First one is AND operators. The query is select asterisk from student where student ID equal to 2 and age is 21. So there are 2 conditions are satisfied. The record is displayed. The next logical operator is OR. Select asterisk from students where student ID equal to 2 or age greater than or equal to 20. The above query contains 2 conditions. These conditions, any one condition is satisfied, then record will be displayed. So 2, 3, 4 records will be displayed. Next operator is logical operators. Select asterisk from student where first name not like single quotes within V percentage sign, single quotes end with semicolon. So the first character, first name is V, does not start with, the records will be displayed.
Thank you, students.